So, at the venue where we assembled for the December Rumble, which was organized by the legendary Pajero Club, and I also saw an Ironman stall, which was being set up by Queensway Overland, and they're the official dealers, which I got to know. And it was amazing to see the stall, the equipments, the camping equipments, all of that stuff displayed. And I believe the kind of pricing that they were actually sharing across was awesome. I would say that I think each one of the members were quite curious to know about how it is going to impact their driving, and that is something which they were educated. It made me aware of a lot of things which probably as an off-roader I should have been aware of, and I'm learning day by day that I'm meeting these people, coming to such venues. So thank you to them as well. This has been so amazing for me. I've come all the way from Delhi, so I'm pretty happy about it. Thank you so much for having me here.